Is your child struggling with constipation? Frequent tummy aches, hard stools, or days without a bowel movement? You're not alone, and thankfully, you don't always need medication to fix it. One of the gentlest and most effective natural remedies is sitting right on your kitchen counter: bananas. Yes, bananas. This humble fruit isn't just a healthy snack. It can act as a natural, kid-friendly laxative to help get things moving, gently, safely, and without drama. Welcome to today's episode, where we explore how bananas can naturally relieve constipation in children, and why they're one of the best go-to options for digestive comfort. In the next few minutes, we'll break down why kids often experience constipation, the unique nutritional benefits of bananas, how to use bananas correctly as a gentle laxative, tips to avoid common banana mistakes, and when to seek medical help. If you're a parent, caregiver, or just someone interested in safe, natural digestive care for little ones, this episode is made for you. Let's dive in. Constipation in kids is more common than many people think. In fact, it's one of the top reasons parents take their children to the doctor. The signs can include fewer than 3 bowel movements a week, painful or hard stools, straining or crying during toilet time, bloating, gas, or loss of appetite. Causes? They vary, from low-fiber diets and dehydration, to stress, toilet training, or even ignoring the urge to go. Before reaching for over-the-counter solutions, many experts recommend starting with food-based remedies, and that's where bananas come in. You might be surprised to hear this, but bananas can both relieve and cause constipation, depending on ripeness. Ripe bananas, yellow with a few brown spots, are soft, easy to digest, and rich in soluble fiber like pectin. This helps pull water into the digestive tract, softening the stool and easing its movement through the intestines. They're also loaded with potassium and natural sugars that stimulate gut activity, providing a mild, natural laxative effect perfect for sensitive systems like those of young children. But here's the key. Unripe bananas, green or underripe, contain more resistant starch, which is harder to digest and can actually worsen constipation. So when using bananas to relieve constipation in kids, always choose fully ripe fruit. Bananas are more than just fiber. They offer a powerhouse of nutrients that support digestive wellness, especially in children. Pectin, a soluble fiber that forms a gel-like substance in the gut, helping soften stools. Fructooligosaccharides, FOS. These prebiotics feed healthy gut bacteria, which support regular digestion. Potassium helps the intestines contract properly for smoother elimination. Water content. While not a juicy fruit, bananas still contribute to hydration, which is vital for bowel health. Plus, bananas are gentle on the stomach, non-acidic, easy to mash, and unlikely to trigger allergies. This makes them one of the safest fruits to offer babies and toddlers when dealing with digestive issues. How to use bananas for constipation relief. So how do you use bananas to actually ease constipation in kids? 1. Timing is key. Give one ripe banana either in the morning or before nap time. Avoid giving it immediately after meals, as it can slow digestion if the stomach is too full. 2. Pair with fluids. Water is essential. Fiber needs water to work properly. Encourage your child to drink a small cup of water with their banana. 3. Combine with other gut-friendly foods. Bananas go well with oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies. A ripe banana blended with a little plain yogurt and chia seeds can become a supercharged constipation-fighting snack. 4. Watch for results. Most kids will show improvement in 24 to 48 hours when ripe bananas are used regularly. Bonus tip: for picky eaters, try baking mashed bananas into whole grain muffins, pancakes, or mash with a spoonful of natural peanut butter for flavor and extra fiber. Mistakes to avoid. Here are a few common mistakes parents make when trying to use bananas for constipation. Giving unripe bananas. They can slow down digestion and make constipation worse. Not increasing fluid intake. Fiber without fluids can harden the stool further. Overfeeding bananas. Balance is key. One banana a day is enough for constipation relief. Ignoring other parts of the diet. Make sure the overall diet includes fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Bananas are a tool, not a cure-all. Think of them as part of a wider strategy for gut health. When to see a doctor. While bananas can help, some cases of constipation require medical support. See your pediatrician if your child hasn't had a bowel movement in 5+ days, has blood in the stool, complains of severe stomach pain, loses weight or appetite, frequently soils underwear due to impaction. Bananas are a safe starting point, but always trust your instincts and consult a healthcare provider if something feels off. Bananas are more than just a snack. They're a natural, safe, and effective remedy for mild constipation in children. Choose ripe bananas. Combine them with hydration and fiber-rich foods, and use them consistently for gentle, nourishing relief. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe, and share it with other parents who might be looking for gentle, home-based solutions to everyday challenges. Your child's comfort matters, and sometimes the answer really is as simple as a banana. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.